children, today we are going to learn our fourth lesson, environment. In our last video you have learned that Earth is the only planet that has the life. The things which surround us, air, water, land, plants, animals, humans are the part of our environment. So children, in fact the life is the part of our environment. To live in a healthy environment, we have to keep our environment clean, or we must have to clean our environment. Due to the human activities, our Earth's environment became polluted. So now we are going to learn about the pollution. The process by which our environment is damaged due to human activities is known as pollution. Pollution means, children, the process by which our environment is damaged due to human activities is known as pollution. There are various types of pollution such as air pollution, land pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Now today we are going to learn about air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution means when harmful gases dust particles fumes and smoke are mixed into air, it is known as air pollution. Children, air pollution means when harmful gases, dust particles, fumes and smoke are mixed into air, it is known as air pollution. Due to some human activities, air is get polluted. Which are these activities? Reason: smoke, from factories, and industries, Second reason, fumes, emitted from vehicles. Third reason, cutting down of trees, cutting down of trees. And number 4, bursting of crackers. Of crackers. These are the 4 major reasons that our air get polluted. Children, do you know harmful gases? Harmful gases are released from burning of waste plastic bags, empty packets and garbage that you burn outside. From that burning, harmful gases are released and mixed into the air, and it is the reason of the air pollution. Then dust particles. Anyone swipe on the road, from that swiping, small dust particles flow in the air, and this is also a cause of air pollution. Then fumes. Fumes means visible gases that is produced from the burning particles. Children, it is a, do you see the plastic burnings? From that burning, some gases are produced, and these gases we can see, that is the fumes. And smoke also, it is also visible, and these fumes are released from the vehicles. So children, these all are causes the air pollution, and due to some human activities our air get polluted. Which are they? Smoke from factories and industries. Children, when in factories and industries, when they are produce their products, some smokes are released, and they release the smoke into the air. So this smoke mix into the air, and this cause the air pollution. Then fumes emitted from vehicles. Emitted means what, children? Released. Fumes means it is also type of gases that is released from the vehicles such as buses, taxis, cars, trucks. These vehicles release some gases, that is the carbon monoxide, and these harmful gases are mixed into the air, and it causes the air pollution. Then the major reason of the air pollution, that is cutting down of trees. In these days, in large amount of cutting down of trees, that is means deforestations. When we are cutting the trees, air get hot, and trees keep the air temperature cool. Trees gives us oxygen and also reduce the harmful gases from the environment. So trees are very beneficial for the environment. So children, we don't have to cut the trees. Then fourth reason, that is bursting of crackers. On some occasions we burst the crackers. From that bursting of crackers, it releases some harmful gases and it mix into the air, and it is also the cause of air pollution. Children, these are the reasons of air pollution, and if our air get polluted and it get impure, we cannot breathe properly. If we live in that atmosphere, we may fall sick. Polluted air causes the allergies and skin rashes. Polluted air is harmful for humans, birds, animals and plants. Birds also cannot breathe properly and plants also cannot prepare their food and their growth can stop in the polluted air. So children, polluted air is harmful to our environment. Understand children? So we will meet in our next video. Then we will discuss the other type of pollution.